Final trade of the day, Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot joins me for his favorite trade anyway. Thanks for coming on the show today.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
So let's take a look at Oracle. Is this stock about to go soft?
Yes, I truly believe so. This is a stock that I've been watching for a while here. They reported earnings June 21st. And right around that time, there was a gap open, a gap up actually on that stock. And we really just took a huge momentum to the upside above 56.54. I believe that right before earnings now coming in September, I believe this stock will have a pullback, at least trying to fill that gap.
Why do you think the stock will pull back? Fundamentally, what's going on here?
Well, I really just think that just that sector as a whole, just when we talk about kind of software and what Oracle does, I really think that it's just not a lot of momentum in that field right now. I think a lot of momentum is in the tech sector, right around social media. If we've seen the Facebook, we obviously seen what Apple did with their earnings and how they crushed it. I think a lot of participants are in that field right now.
That's where the money is.
That's exactly where the money is, yes.
So what would be a potential trade here for you going into the next earnings round, which you say is in September?
Yes. Well, for me, because the puts are so cheap, I'm looking to really just buy those puts. They're under $1, right around 90 cents. So for me, that's what I like to call a kind of an affordable opportunity for myself.
What strikes would you be buying or selling here then? You're going to buy these puts? Or?
Yes, I'm going to buy those puts. I'm going to buy the 49 strikes. They're, like I said, they're costing right around 90 cents, and they're good until September 15th.
Now, in order to make money with this trade, you need the stock to trade, what, below $49, correct?
Yes, that is correct. And as we've seen, even today, and even as of Friday, we saw the stock actually trading about 48 and change. So for those 49s to still be an opportunity for me to buy them is a great deal for me right now.
What do you think about the overall market?
You know, I'm so glad you asked that because I've been talking about that a lot. I think it's the political climate did not shake the market. We saw a bit of a pullback, and everyone was saying correction, correction, correction. But then, you know, we look at the market on Monday, and here we are. We have that huge gap open. So I think that ultimately this market is still very bullish. I'm still very bullish on the market.
So the correction calls were incorrect?
Yes, yes, indeed. At least for now.
At least for now.
Yes.
You also mentioned the Bitcoin when you came down to the trading floor. Is that something you would buy? It seems so risky to me.
It is. It's very risky, but we can't ignore the headlines. The headlines every day is Bitcoin new highs, Bitcoin new highs. I'm one of those traders where I'm a little cautious about being left out of the party, but I don't want to just kind of jump in because no trader wants to buy the highs and then obviously whatever stock or cryptocurrency or anything that you buy kind of turn around. So a little cautious.
Thank you for coming on the show, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.